Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unbagging of Lip Monthly. Lip Monthly is a subscription for everything lips. Lipstick, lip glosses, lip balms, lip liners, lip tints, lip crayons, everything for your lips. This is a $12.95 subscription. And it is a very good way to amp up your lip choices as far as color, different types of lip products. I've enjoyed it. This will be my third unbagging of this subscription. So let's get on in here and see what we got. I know that the bag was a variant this month. They usually have the LM printed summer on the bag, and it is not on this one. As you can see, this was February's bag. This was January's bag. So I'm not quite sure why this one isn't printed with their tag for their company, but it is what it is, and let's just see what we got. It's nice. It's a faux leather, so if you spill something on it, nothing's going to get hurt in there, which I very much like in a bag. And the theme for this month is New Adventures, March 2019, from Lip Monthly. I like the hot air balloons. They're very pretty. It says, welcome to the March 2019 bag, out with the gloom and in with the bloom. In with the boom of sunshine. Spring is upon us, and we've created a bag that'll help you shift into the new season effortlessly. Don't forget, take 20% off any one-time purchases of the Lip Monthly shop with coupon code FEB20. This offer is valid until March 31st. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram at Lip Monthly. Enjoy your goodies, Team Lip Monthly. So, if you get Lip Monthly, there you go. And if you don't, there's a code to take 20% off. The first thing we got in here is by Big Bang. Now, I've not had much luck with Big Bang. I know last month's Bang Beauty, my bad, not Big Bang. Bang Beauty product, the liquid lipstick in the hot chocolate, I very much do enjoy. This is this color. That's another swatch. We're just gonna get rid of that right now. Alright, and this is that color. It is a nice nudie pink color. And the color of this is Kiss Me. It is a pinky color. Not quite as pink as what I got on right now, but this is a lip crayon that I will definitely use. They do not give, excuse me, they do not give prices, which when I edit my videos, I always go back and look them up for you. The next thing we have is by Pursue, I'm guessing. And the color of this is Frisky Summer, number 97. This is what that looks like. Again, it's another spring color. This feels more of like a lip gloss. It is very tacky and sticky feeling. There is that color. It's kind of an orangish color. But nonetheless, there is that color. The next thing we have is by Appeal. This is a holographic lip gloss. Now this is very pretty. It's got the shimmers when you turn it. You can see the pink and blue and purple shifts. So this is definitely one lip gloss that I will definitely be trying out. And of course there's a safety seal on it. We should get Abadabs to sing her safety seal song. I love her. But we got that off, and let's see what this looks like. It is a translucent with glitter. And there is that color. I know you're not going to be able to see it, and I don't know how else to show that. We'll put it on our lips. How about that? I don't know if that really did anything or not. But the shift in it is very pretty. I would totally use that as a topper. But I don't know if you can see it that way. Maybe, yeah. It's got a little iridescent and then the shimmers on it. Okay, and then the last thing in here is by Dirty Little Secret. This is Dirty Little Secret Cream Lipstick, and it's in the color Bashful. They always have such cute packaging. I love the little polka dots. And again, another little nudie springtime color. And there is that color. Let me turn this light off and maybe that will help. Okay. Now you can actually see the iridescent, sparkly lip gloss. And there's that color. So, that is what we got for our Lip Monthly bag for March 2019. And I am very happy with all of them. Like I said, one bag, you get 4 lip products. So that is, I think I've gotten 12 lip products in the last 3 months, which very much does add up. And they're all different. I mean, you get different products. Same thing. I mean, it's all for your lips, but they're, you know, there's lip gloss and there's lip crayon and lipstick. So check it out if you're wanting to amp up your lip arsenal. I would definitely suggest Lip Monthly. I have seen other subscriptions, but this is the one I chose, and it's the most affordable for what I think I'm getting. And I don't think that you will regret it. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, possibly share it. And until next time, you stay beautiful, and I'll see you later. Bye.